Hello, this is an S&P 500 E-mini futures technical analysis. Through the futures, we are looking at the S&P 500, giving you some an opinion of where this market is and what you can expect. It's all coming from Investing Live. Investing Live is the new brand of Forex Live. By the end of the summer, you should be redirected to Investing Live. Stay tuned, get ready for the new name. And we will start the this blue line is the previous all-time high from February 25th. And let's look at the storyline. When you're looking at technical analysis, there's various ways to do that and look at it, but you want to see basically what story unfolds. So we have this red resistance as well as this blue bull flag where we have these two touch points and two touch points here. And on the third one, we broke out up. That's why we have this bull here. And later, we also price came to test the previous all-time high, which was exactly here. Consolidated a bit, faked out bulls and bears a bit, but finally went up on this, also crossing up this red resistance line and the clearing that blue all-time high. And then we have this purple channel trending up, where we have a few touch points here, a second touch point over here, also testing that red line again. So double support. And recently from Tuesday, also having this touch point, point number three, and also testing Friday's value area high. Okay, I was mentioned in a previous video that this is now, for now, the line in the sand between bulls and bears. And we even have also 6,214, which was the VWAP of that Friday. So an important day where we had a bit of volatility here. So currently the bulls are still in control. We might have here at, this is 6,273. And also very near that mid channel, we may have a bit of cooling off, at least intraday here, and going back to test another touch point on this lower band. But unless the bears are able to get price to break down from this channel, activating it as a bear flag, then bears are still in control. Even here on the touch point, it's more chance that we'll be going to test very near that 6,300 round number. We still do not know. It can break. It can also test that Friday's value area high. It can test that red line, which would also come possibly with a double support to 6,214, which I mentioned as the VWAP of Friday of last week. Most definitely it can, but those are the levels to watch. If you see two consecutive candles of 4 hours below that 6,214, then the bullish case is over, at least for the foreseeable future, unless it crosses up again that important red resistance line that we had all over here. So these sort of boundaries can give you an idea of one, who's in control, still the bulls. When will it change? At what levels? And you can also draw these things on your chart as well, and basically gauge direction of the market. If, for example, we do something like this and get to a new all-time high around that would be around the, let's say it's around 6,318. Okay, just for the sake of this is a general direction. Okay, and you're holding stocks. You're holding Nvidia and Alphabet and Microsoft and Palantir on all these great names, then you may consider that this is a good time to take partial profit, okay, at these levels. Because most likely there's going to be other sharks and profit takers that are going to be doing the same, okay? There's no need to panic now. The bulls are still in control, as mentioned, but it's good to know what are these potential profit taking junctions. So hopefully you've enjoyed this orientation. You're welcome to come and visit our Investing Live Telegram channel if you're already not there. If you are there, enjoy this complimentary education and orientation on the market, as we mentioned that we will do a bit more of. And thank you for your time.